Can meditation truly rewire the brain? For centuries, practitioners have claimed it does more than just calm the mind. They have described profound shifts in awareness and mental function. Now, a groundbreaking new study offers a glimpse into these changes at a level of detail never seen before. Published in Neuroscience of Consciousness on November 23, 2025, the research challenges some long-held beliefs about meditation's neural signature. The international team, led by neurophysiologist Annalisa Pascarella of the Italian National Research Council and with key contributions from my own lab at the Université de Montréal, has uncovered surprising results that could reshape our understanding of consciousness itself. The study suggests that deep meditation can profoundly alter brain dynamics, pushing the brain toward a state of optimal balance and flexibility. This state, known as criticality, is often described as the brain's sweet spot for processing information efficiently. The findings show that meditation can increase the complexity of neural connections, a change that bears a striking resemblance to effects observed with certain psychedelic substances. However, meditation achieves this through pure mental training, offering a natural and accessible path to reshaping brain activity. The research provides a new, more nuanced picture of how dedicated mental practice can sculpt the very architecture of our thoughts and perceptions. The study focused on two distinct but complementary forms of meditation. Samatha Vipassana. Understanding the difference between them is key to appreciating the study's findings. Samatha meditation is often called focused attention meditation. In this practice, you train your mind to rest on a single object, such as the sensation of the breath entering and leaving the nostrils. The goal is to develop a stable and unwavering focus. You can think of it like narrowing the beam of a flashlight to illuminate one specific spot with great clarity and intensity, pushing all other distractions into the background. Vipassana, on the other hand, is known as open monitoring meditation. Instead of narrowing your focus, you do the opposite. You widen your field of awareness. The practice involves observing whatever arises in your experience from moment to moment without judgment. This could be a thought, an emotion, a physical sensation, or a sound. You let these experiences come and go freely, simply noticing them as they are. To capture the subtle changes in brain activity, we needed exceptionally sensitive tools. Our study relied on magnetoencephalography, or MEG. This advanced neuroimaging technique measures the tiny magnetic fields produced by the brain's electrical currents. MEG provides incredibly precise timing, millisecond by millisecond tracking of brain activity. This high temporal resolution was essential for examining the fast-changing rhythms and complex dynamics that characterize brain function. We were essentially listening to the brain's symphony with an extremely powerful and fine-tuned microphone. The study involved a very special group of participants. 12 professional monks, Santa Citarima Monastery near Rome. These were not casual meditators. Each monk had, on average, more than 15,000 hours of dedicated meditation experience. Their extensive training gave them the ability to enter deep meditative states reliably and to sustain them for the duration of the recordings. While a sample size of 12 may seem small, the depth of their expertise provided an incredibly rich and stable data set. Their brains offered a unique window into the long-term effects of sustained mental training. Simply recording the brain signals was not enough. One of our most striking findings directly contradicted the results of many previous studies. For years, the scientific consensus has been that meditation, particularly the kind involving intense focus, is associated with an increase in gamma oscillations. Gamma waves are very fast brain rhythms, typically linked to heightened awareness, information binding, and peak concentration. We expected to see gamma power rise. Instead, after applying our advanced signal processing methods to clean the data, we observed a widespread decrease in oscillatory gamma power during both types of meditation compared to the resting state, Samatha Vipassana. This unexpected result is likely due to our methodological innovation. By correcting for the 1/f, a periodic component of the brain's signal, we were able to isolate the true rhythmic oscillations from the broadband noise. It appears that what many earlier studies may have interpreted as an increase in gamma activity could have actually been a change in the underlying aperiodic signal, not a true increase in the gamma rhythm itself. This highlights the critical role of advanced signal processing. Our new tools allowed us to see the landscape of brain activity with greater clarity, revealing features that were previously obscured. Beyond oscillations and complexity, our study explored a fascinating concept known as brain criticality. In simple terms, criticality refers to an optimal balance point where the brain operates between two extremes: perfect, rigid order, complete, random chaos. A brain that is too orderly is inflexible, like a system stuck in a rut. A brain that is too chaotic cannot maintain stable patterns needed to transmit information reliably. The critical state is the sweet spot in the middle, a dynamic regime that allows for stability and flexibility, maximizing the brain's ability to adapt and process information efficiently. Our analysis revealed that meditation actively shifts the brain's operating point in relation to this critical state. While both meditation styles moved the brain away from the resting state, they did so in different ways. Samatha, with its intense, narrow focus, produced a more focused and stable brain state. This is consistent with the goal of the practice: deep concentration. The brain becomes highly organized for sustained attention. The findings from our study, particularly the increase in neural complexity and the shift toward criticality, open the door to exciting clinical possibilities. For example, conditions like depression are often characterized by rigid brain circuits and repetitive patterns of thought, especially rumination, getting stuck in negative loops. By increasing brain flexibility, meditation could help disrupt those rigid patterns. The ability to voluntarily direct one's attention, a skill honed in Samatha, enables better emotional self-regulation, a cornerstone of psychological well-being, and a target in therapy. These insights could also inform treatments for attention-related disorders. The focused, stable brain state, induced by Samatha, defines enhanced attentional control. Training this could help people who struggle with distractibility, strengthening circuits that maintain focus.